Imagine unlocking the secret to earning $176,000 in passive income with just a simple children's storybook. This video unveils the blueprint to harness the power of AI technology, specifically ChatGPT and Midjourney AI, transforming creative ideas into lucrative reality without the traditional grind. The business model? Leveraging Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform to publish storybooks at no upfront cost, tapping into a voracious market hungry for quality children's content. The discovery? A casual stroll through Amazon's vast marketplace reveals a trove of simple storybooks, each adorned with thousands of ratings, translating into staggering revenue figures that defy expectations. Take a moment to process this. A single book with modest ratings can funnel tens of thousands of dollars into an author's pocket. The math is simple, yet profound. A book priced at $6.47, multiplied by thousands of ratings, reveals earnings that could easily surpass the annual salary of many full-time jobs. This isn't just surprising, it's a wake-up call to the untapped potential sitting right under our noses. Enter Amazon KDP, the game changer, allowing authors to publish for free, removing traditional publishing barriers and opening the floodgates to passive income streams. The key, however, lies in product selection. In this arena, children's storybooks emerge as champions. Why? Their timeless appeal, coupled with parents' continuous quest for engaging educational material, marks them as a product with perennial demand. The current market trends affirm this direction. There's a noticeable uptick in the consumption of children's literature, fueled by increasing awareness of its role in early development. Digital platforms, especially ebooks, have expanded reach, making books accessible to a global audience instantly. Rather than listing individual success narratives, consider the broader impact. A vibrant community of creators consistently generating passive income through KDP, proving the model's viability and scalability. This is about understanding market dynamics and positioning oneself where demand intersects with opportunity. In today's digital age, children's storybooks on Amazon KDP represent not just a product, but a well-oiled machine for generating passive income. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on the channel. Harnessing ChatGPT for story creation shatters traditional barriers, introducing efficiency and a spark of creativity previously unimaginable. The process starts with a seed, a mere thought, a whisper of an idea. ChatGPT, with its vast reservoir of data and patterns, nurtures this seed into a full-blown narrative, starting with a captivating title. The journey from the magical garden to the adventures of Tommy and Timmy, the search for the lost treasure, isn't linear. It's iterative, demanding precision until the title resonates with potential and intrigue, a beacon for the target age group of 5 to 8 years. Crafting a story outline with ChatGPT transcends mere content generation. It's about weaving a coherent narrative structure that holds the young reader's hand through an adventure. The outline is the skeleton of the story, defining chapters and scenes, ensuring the flow from one adventure to the next is seamless and engaging. This process exemplifies not just the creation, but the cultivation of a narrative that enthralls its audience. The significance of targeting the story towards a specific age group cannot be understated. The Adventures of Tommy and Timmy is an experience tailored for young minds, ripe with elements that foster imagination and curiosity. ChatGPT aids in sculpting this narrative, ensuring it resonates with its intended audience, embedding themes, language, and adventures that are age-appropriate and engaging. Expanding the outline into a full-fledged story is where ChatGPT's prowess is unmistakable. It involves stretching the narrative across the chapters, filling the skeleton with flesh, details, dialogues, and twist. This step is where creativity intersects with AI's capabilities, generating content that is not only coherent, but also captivating and creatively boundless. The efficiency of using AI, particularly ChatGPT, for this creative endeavor is unparalleled. Gone are the days of staring at a blank page, waiting for inspiration to strike. ChatGPT's ability to churn out detailed narratives based on a handful of prompts is nothing short of revolutionary. It democratizes story creation, making it accessible to anyone with a story to tell, regardless of their writing prowess. Moreover, the creativity unleashed by collaborating with an AI is profound. ChatGPT sparks ideas, offers directions, and sometimes introduces plot twists that even the creator hadn't envisioned. Far better than just generating text. This synergy between human creativity and AI's computational power creates a breeding ground for stories that are fresh, engaging, and most importantly, deeply human. Midjourney AI steps into the spotlight, revolutionizing how we approach the creation of high-quality original illustrations. This tool isn't just a utility, it's a game-changer for authors, especially when the cost of hiring artists could devour budgets whole. Here's the kicker. Midjourney AI offers a pathway to create mesmerizing book illustrations without opening your wallet to the winds. The process is straightforward, but far from simplistic. It begins with crafting a prompt that encapsulates the essence of your story's chapter or scene. Precision of your prompt dictates the relevance of the generated images, making this step more art than science. Once your prompt is set, Midjourney AI takes the helm, navigating through the complexity of its algorithms to produce illustrations that breathe life into your narrative. Visual storytelling, particularly in children's books, isn't just an add-on, it's the soul of the narrative. It's what turns readers into viewers, allowing them to dive headfirst into the adventure. Midjourney AI understands this, offering a palette of possibilities that capture the imagination of young minds. Consistency in illustration style is crucial. It's what keeps the visual narrative cohesive, ensuring that each page turn is a seamless continuation of the journey. Midjourney AI, with its customizable settings, allows creators to maintain this consistency, ensuring that the story flows not just through words, but through visuals. The cost-saving aspect of using Midjourney AI cannot be overstated. In a world where quality often comes with a hefty price tag, this AI tool stands as a testament to innovation, offering a bridge over the financial gap that separates many authors from their dreams. Canva emerges as the go-to platform, transforming the complex task of book design into a streamlined process. This tool democratizes design, making it accessible to creators at any skill level, enabling the fusion of text and illustrations into a cohesive storybook. Here's how you peel back the complexity of design and lay out your storybook with precision and aesthetic appeal. First off, navigating Canva's library to select the ideal template is about setting the stage for your story. With AI-generated images in hand, the upload process is straightforward, ensuring your illustrations find their home within your chosen layout. The art of adding and formatting text in Canva is less about typing words and more about breathing life into them. It's where font styles and color schemes play critical roles, not just in making the text readable, but in adding layers to the visual storytelling. The platform's drag-and-drop interface is a game-changer, especially for beginners, turning potential hours of work into a task that can be accomplished within minutes. Design tips on Canva go beyond aesthetics. They're about ensuring consistency and harmony throughout the storybook. From selecting fonts that speak to the young audience to choosing color schemes that complement the illustrations, every detail contributes to a visually appealing and engaging reading experience. Finalizing the design in Canva and preparing it for publishing is the culmination of this process. It's where all elements come together, ready to be shared with the world. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, stands as the gateway for authors to publish their books at no cost, merging simplicity with the vast reach of Amazon's marketplace. The preparation for KDP involves ensuring your storybook is formatted correctly, with a cover that captures attention. The phase is crucial, as it sets the first impression for potential readers scrolling through thousands of options. The publishing process on Amazon KDP is straightforward, yet requires attention to detail. It begins with setting up your account, uploading your manuscript, and then diving into the specifics of your book's metadata. This includes choosing categories and keywords, the step that demands strategic thinking. The right choices here amplify your book's discoverability, connecting your story with its intended audience. Pricing your book is more than just assigning a value. It's about understanding the market and positioning your book competitively. Amazon's promotional tools are at your disposal to boost visibility during those critical first weeks. Utilizing these tools can significantly impact your book's reach and sales. Encouraging customer reviews is another piece of the puzzle. Reviews serve as social proof, influencing browsing customers and potentially affecting your book's ranking on Amazon. A thoughtful approach to soliciting reviews, such as through follow-up emails to readers, can foster a positive feedback loop. This venture into the realm of children's books using ChatGPT, Midjourney AI, and Canva illustrates a path laden with opportunity, innovation, and financial promise. As we close, remember the tools and platforms are at your fingertips, ready to transform your creative vision into reality. The next step is yours to take. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.